Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Swati. So, uh, Here in my channel, I'm trying to share some of my arts in various forms like DIYs, home decor, interior designs, paintings, etc. So, this is my first video. So, I've decided to share the Ganesh idol that I have made this Ganesh Chaturthi. I have made this Ganesh idol myself with terracotta mud, and I'll show you how to make the Ganesh idol and also the basic decoration that I have done. So this is the Ganesha idol that I have made. Okay, so I've made it with the terracotta mud. As Ganesha comes in various forms and postures, so I decided to go with the basic sitting postures like this. Okay, so after giving the basic shape with the mud, you can paint it. I painted it with dark pink for the clothes and the skin color for skin. Okay, and I've also used this sparkling golden color, okay, for the clothes highlighting and also for the ornaments like this. Okay, so all these colors I have used acrylic colors. So acrylic colors, so you can also get it from Amazon. I'll share you all the links. Okay, so after painting you can stick some of the pearls and stones like I have done, okay, on the trunk like this for the ornaments, and for the earrings, the bindi, okay, for forehead and for the back as well. Okay, so Ganesha has four hands here, one holding the laddu, one written Om, one has Shank, and one has lotus. So this is how it looks, and this is the Chuha. So it sits just beside the leg of Ganesha. So this is how it looks. Okay, so for the decoration, I use this one of the box I had with me. Okay, I've used this table on which I have placed this box. I've covered it with new red cloth. Okay, then this sparkling pink paper. Okay, since sparkling pink paper I have, then this garland I have got it from the local shop. So I've used Fevikwik to fix it, so it fixes on its place like this. Okay, and for the background and this big garland, okay, I have fixed it with nails both the sides. Okay, and in between I use this one. It looks lovely with this also I fixed it with nails. So this is how it basically looks after decoration. And for the lights, I've used the star lights. You can get it from Amazon, it's still available there. So I'll just switch on the light and show you how it looks. So after switching on, so this is how it looks. I have my puja here also, so I decided to keep it just beside the puja, just beside the puja, so it all aligns in the same direction. Okay, so this is my puja and this is the Ganesha. Okay, I'll show you how to make the Ganesha idol with terracotta mud in the next video. So do let me know if you like it. Do subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.